All right, so once the engagement has been loaded by the client, the owner of that file will receive a notification letting him know that the information has been uploaded and they are now ready to access that detail in the company profile. So the first screen that you'll land on as you open up the dashboard will be the overview screen. This will give you a general health of the company with the historical. There are different categories like the P&L, the working capital, credit analysis, receivables, and payables. We also provide a quality score, and what this quality score is, it will look for anomalies in the entries, and it will quickly detect if you should have some further conversations before you really start having the true planning consultation with your client. So we are looking for anomalies in the entries. Again, this is not a piece that you take to the bank, but it is a good indicator that there might be some discrepancies in what you're seeing from one month to the next, and the system will address it. The true power of this application then comes with the drill down capability. So as we already know, we are pulling all the information from the different ERPs, and that gives us the ability to, regardless of the ERP, break down the information and create what we see here as a drill down. So if I go into any of these categories as an example, I can take any number that is showing here and go all the way down, not just to the transaction level, but I can take this all the way down to the double entry viewer, giving me full visibility to who, what, when, and how. And again, as a point of reference, we have had to do nothing up to this point other than ask the client to click a few buttons to load the information. The same drill down is available for receivables and payables. So in receivables, if we're looking at the ledger control and we want to see what transpired in this 3.2 mil, we show the opening balance and the closing balance with all the detail in between: invoices, cash, credit notes, discounts, etc. With full drill down, so I can go into a specific invoice as an example, just like in our previous screen, and drill all the way down to that double entry viewer to see who, what, when, and how. Standard reporting packs are available along with custom reporting packs. Now, what these do is they will allow you to export the data into a presentable Excel. So, for example, there are 12 different reports that we pull, the accounts payable, accounts receivable, and so on, including your custom reports that you could build from scratch. So, as an example on that, on an accounts receivable report, you can see there are a lot of different tabs here. So if we start with the aging comparison, it'll give you a high level view, what's going on in the movement, outstanding variances, etc., and numerous different tabs that you would utilize in your audit process here as you move through the consultation. This is automatically updated if any additional pulls are done, and you can regenerate these reports. In a custom report, you can actually select what tabs you would like. There are over 40 different tabs available if you're looking to customize your outputs. So in a nutshell, the power of this application is there's literally no work required on your side to get to this point. The client is going to just push a few buttons and this information is generated, elevating you now to a role more as a consultant rather than having to do a lot of the data work. And this would be consistent and accurate because we're pulling directly from the source. In other words, the different ERPs that we support.